So number one, we drew on one of the other videos. We drew, you know, sorry, let's go here. We drew all those trend lines and everything for our, plan where to long and hold. So what happened if you see or remember if you saw the NVIDIA high-end analysis, you would be able to recognize why we have all those lines and what is this entry 95, why we want to enter there and everything, why we want to stop here and maximum stop here, right? All those things are explained in there, but you can see how it happens so fast because when we did this video, of NVIDIA high technical analysis, you would see pretty much just around this consolidation. And look what happened ever since. It's pretty much dropped so aggressively, and it's continued to drop and bleed like a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Basically, from $24, pretty much more or less, from consolidation area to this area. That's crazy. So, what we want to do, we want to go and mark our pre-market today, pre-market high, and we want to mark our pre-market low. Okay, pre-market high, and we want to mark our pre-market low. Okay, good. Now what we want to do, we want to go for 5 minutes, see if we have a zone of any sort. 15 minutes, no zone. 30 minutes, no zone. 45 minutes, no zone. Okay, so we just will look for high and low with confirmations of other technical analysis. Now, what we want to do here, we want to go 5 minutes. As I always say, I never like, what you call this, what you call this in, I forgot the word, indicators. I don't like indicators. However, there is certain indicators that really show great strength. So we will talk more about that, and I will explain what each one represent, why we have those, and everything. I mean, do you really need it? You don't, but they can be of great help if you know how to use them the right way. So let's now see what we are doing here. So we have 15 minutes. I mean, sorry, high and low. Now we need 15 minutes. We need 30 minutes. No, we don't have anything here. So we need 1 minute. Come on. Why to get stuck? 1 second. Okay. Now, so basically, the ones that you will see me do and trade on will be NVIDIA today. Let's actually see. So the markets SPY right there. So the markets actually had a massive gap up. Very good gap up. You can see how it broke below, so aggressive. That was a very strong indication for a continuation of short. And QQQ also had a massive gap down. I mean, sorry, gap up, but very large move down. So overall, we are on a downtrend. So we would want to look for a downtrend, even though it's had a little bit of an rally to the upside. Wow, look at this, how it's literally jumped exactly the 30 minutes of the zone. That's actually a very bullish sign. Very, very, very bullish sign. He jumped the whole number. What? Wow, that was necessary. Okay, very nice. Let me see one moment. Wow, this one we need to change to 1 minute. Okay, he jumped the whole number. What? Wow, that was necessary. Okay, very nice. Let me see one moment. Wow, this one we need to change to 1 minute. Okay, okay. So on Nvidia, I mean on Nvidia and Tesla, we know what we are going to do. This one, Nasdaq, ES and Nasdaq. So this one second, 30 minutes. Wow, I have to fucking clean it so badly. Okay. Here we go. Whoa, I had that too. How do I delete this shit? Right there. Okay. So, uh, oh wow, look how it's never filled fully. But it started a new week with a fairly large gap up. Not massive. Sorry, not massive, but fairly big. Uh, yeah, very nice. Okay, so what we want to do is basically pre-market low, pre-market high. Which right now it's by the high. Okay, by the high. Yeah, at the moment. Pre-market starts, I believe, at 4 a.m., right? At 4 a.m. We have another 8 minutes. Let's go! 8 minutes. Let me go back here to turn on my daily and VWAP. Wow, 6 million. 6 million the last minute. What? Actually, it was outside already. Literally as the market closed. 4. Last minute, I mean, right as the market closed. Wow, what the fuck. It's had more shares right by the close than it's had during the open. Wow. Okay, very nice. So we will be looking for basically still a downtrend because overall the market is on a downtrend right now. You can see this crazy move. However, it's need to start on protecting certain areas, otherwise we will have a very large move continuation. Right, and that is 2 hours. So we mainly want to see that it's a stand value on a retest. So basically right now, oh, sure, it's red. 3 minutes to have market open. 3 minutes to have market open. So we have a plan. But a big red day was here. Well, okay. So when we are very close to the pre-market high and we trade right there, we reject and whatnot, is giving us very strong indication that we're possibly having a continuation of a rally. Look at this massive gap up. See, it's right there. Also coming close. Yeah, oversold though. You see, it's oversold. New high. And we are starting in 30 seconds. The markets. Very nice. Right there. So we broke above. Oh wow, Tesla. Look at Tesla going down like crazy. This, wow. Look at Tesla. What a bleed. We were saying that Tesla we will see going down. This, what we saw, that it's coming closer to the pre-market high, most likely will go higher. First minute going higher doesn't mean that it will continue going high all that time, but we're waiting to see. Ooh, Tesla $2 down. Wow, what an aggressive volatility. Ooh. To enter in something like that, we definitely need a retest to VWAP 9-day or the actual mark itself. So, okay, so you see here, it breaks and retests, you can call it pre-market high, right, at the ES. Let's see what will happen there. Wow, look how bullish this one is. I mean, this one candle. Wow. It's moving up at 106. We are basically at 106 there. So it's broke above. Now it's might retest this and come down. But so far it's very strong to the upside. Let me also open the order flow of ES and Q and the other ones. Okay. So we have a great start here. So far everything shows. Wow, look at this massive candle of the rally. I literally didn't see it. So it dropped so much, those wicks and massive rally and massive drop now. But that's crazy. So what we are at 4 minutes. This is the 5th minute. Ooh, that's crazy. Wow, you can see the retest from above 1 to 3, and potentially it will go higher. Only thing is, if I enter, where will I put my stop loss? Right? We have a very big sell order that happened in the first 2 minutes. So, which was right here. So maybe potentially we will see a massive drop. I need here to have the confirmation of my 9-day and the ES and VWAP. That's what we were expecting, a drop from here. Need a retest. Potentially, our best retest will be either the the VWAP or the actual 104 itself. Here it was a perfect retest, but I don't know where to put the stop loss right here. That's so steep. So like there might be a move down, but we are potentially want to see a move higher. Okay. Now if we put here, that's a very bad risk reward. Very bad. Need to make a new. Oh yeah, good. Oh, like there might be a move down, but we are potentially want to see a move higher. Okay. Now if we put here, that's a very bad risk reward. Very bad. Need to make a new. Oh yeah, good. Oh, nice. So, oh shit. Right here, also on a video on Wednesday, I was doing Tuesday, Wednesday, how from here we will see a rally. It's just that I didn't know exactly where I would enter. And here, every move, it's $50. So it's a bit more challenging to know. I mean, every point it's $50 and it moves by a lot of points per day. Like today, so far moved by $27 almost, 26 and a half. So it's a bit harder to know exactly on which one you will enter. So NQ showing sign of short, here showing sign of long. So we have some type of a conflict on that. So I would prefer to wait, because overall, the fact that 9 day and the like retest high, it's good. Let me just see something. If let's say we do that, like that, which in theory I don't want to take profit there because it's from balance to imbalance. I will want to move my very, very, very large what you call sell orders are there, but let's see. Too long. Oh shit. You see, I thought that there will be a short coming, but didn't know when it will come. And right there, all of a sudden, the fucking pop happened. Stepped us out and moving higher, obviously, but that's okay. And that's why I was a bit hesitant if I want to take the short or not. Oh, sorry, the long, but we did take it. No big deal. We risked $75 or $60. for the potential of um, yeah, there is a shortcoming like that. So that's dropped by almost $3 and this by $2 already. And why is that? It's because basically we have this 90 minutes and it's only broke below first time and it's on a retest. So it's something to know and keep in mind. Be cautious about. Here also we're at a retest, which consolidated out. No big deal. But that was a fucking cool drop. Right. I do see it going down a bit more. But only thing is that I would prefer to wait for the highest confirmation. Also on the RSI, you can see it's under that. Which fucking don't know why I went long here. But if I went the first time when it's retested here the fourth time or fifth time, it would work out phenomenally. But I entered the wrong timing. This thought went through my mind. It's okay. Yeah. You see what I was saying that from here we should see down pressure. That's what we see. Look at Nasdaq too. You can see that it's more down pressure. That's what we should see. Let me see what else we see. We are seeing mainly we should go towards. Oh shit! I thought what I didn't know. I didn't put an order. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Wow, we're down. What a crazy consolidation area. We're down to this trend line. Let me see something. I will buy a bit on my swing trade. Yeah, count CVS. Okay, hold on. Let me see. 53.70. Yeah, $53. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me see. 53.70. Yeah, $53. Okay. So from here, you see it starts to move higher. It should, because oh man, look at that. Nice. As we were saying that we will see shorts, but we play long. How fucked up is that, isn't it? Okay. Wow, nice long. Look at this in 2 seconds. What the fuck? From here, short, nice. Where is our Tesla? Wow, what a fucking jingle bell. The short is coming. Oh, that's crazy, man. Opa, another one. Oh. Hmm. Look, what is that? It's a retest. 1 moment. I need to focus here just a minute. Right there. Have that. From here, short, nice. Where is our Tesla? Wow, what a fucking jingle bell. The short is coming. Oh, that's crazy, man. Opa, another one. Oh. Hmm. Look, what is that? It's a retest. 1 moment. I need to focus here just a minute. Right there. Have that. This we are going to have long. We have a lot of, unless a massive buyer will come in, we are going to have a long day over here. And you can see how it trades a lot around the pre-market high. So that's a very interesting sign. Very interesting sign. Ah, I don't. Oh, fuck, how it checked me out. And pretty much will move in the direction I'm looking to, but take some time and fucking crazy. Right there, long. Yeah, I think a massive move will be coming. Volatile. See a lot of buying pressure right there in that area. If let's an example, we have to come and put that right there, the move came, right? More buying, you can see more buying than selling in all those marks. Tesla also just moved high. Nvidia and Tesla will have a nice move higher now. So the fact that it's coming a bit down doesn't scare us, right? Because it's just a correction. Come on, you fucking guys. So what we can see that it's made here not a lower low, it's made a higher, lower high, lower high, lower high, right? And it's making new higher highs as well on a short time frame. Had massive, volume. If you look from the perspective of right here, right? So what we can see is those right bubbles or green balls. They were basically the larger sizes, and most of those ones, right? They're small bubbles, right? If you look on the NQ, which we don't really look much, but you can see also on that price range a lot more larger green balls, and on the downside we can see some of the good size of red balls as well. However, what that shows us, that's why we're going a bit lower and higher, a bit lower and higher. Maybe a massive move will follow, but we never know. Okay, and as I mentioned multiple of times, that's the channel that I follow for that. I don't subscribe to the channel because if there is more than 25,000 subscribers, I heard that they will shut down their channel. So I don't subscribe. I can always go and search for it, and usually I don't close that tab. So just enjoy it. So for now we're $63 minus on that. Actually, it's a bit more. It's just because of that trade that I have. So I'm up on that a couple of bucks today. So that's why.